I spent part of yesterday and all of today working on grades. And you should know by now how much I dislike that activity. I wish school was about learning, not measuring you with a single letter, which is so silly. But, what can you do? That's where we are right now. So I've tried to reimagine grades. I have a rubric unlike anyone else's. I have a 100-point grading scale unlike anyone else's. I've a single mechanism. I boiled it down this year to just your mission log. Turn in your work every week. I want to see images. It's a digital art class. I want to see your work. And yet, that seems to be too much to ask for some people. I've asked you to write in complete sentences, not write a wall of text, but to be descriptive. What did you learn? How did you learn it? How did you grow? What are your plans? What's the color scheme you used? The compositional techniques. How did you present your work so it looked the best it possibly could? And I've told you when I teach you these skills, practice, practice, practice. Do it again and again and again. Told you the maximum size for images. Told you to work in JPEGs. And yet I'm still seeing GIFs and pings. Use a ping when there's transparency. There's no reason to use a ping other than that. The maximum image size. Putting images on their own line. And then I assign grades and immediately I start getting emails. Why'd I get this grade? I want you to look at your mission log. Did you follow through? Did you follow instructions? Did you listen to all the things I just said? Because I'm not going to say them again. Before you talk to me, before you ask me the question about your grade, look at your own mission log. And look at it from my point of view. Are they following instructions? Okay, you guys. The real grades, this is just a progress report. It's not even a progress report, it's a DNF report. The progress report's in 2 more weeks. Oh, I can't wait. Meanwhile, there's a lot of your unread posts. They register as unread. I went through every single one, but I didn't mark them read because I wanted to give you proper feedback. Even if it's just giving you the extra loot with the canned comment, I wanted you to get that. And there wasn't enough time for me to meet the grade window. So, one more video. I want to just impress upon you something. I started resetting missions, and then I realized I would have to do this hundreds of times, literally hundreds of times, because so many people didn't follow this simple instruction.